Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to see first post on Instagram on any account, which means if you find a specific account and you want to see the first post of that Instagram account, then how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Instagram account, and here you have to simply open that account you want to see the first post of, and here you have to simply open that account. And here you have to, what you have to do, you have to simply open the post here. And as you can see, that posts are randomly arranged, and which are arranged to do the first post is at the latest post. Now if you want to go to the first post, then you have to scroll it down, and it takes a lot of time. Then how you can do that without much time spending or scrolling? For this, you have to simply use an external app, outside app, which can help you in scrolling. And if you do not want to use that app, then you can simply use an app which can download the all posts of Instagram account at once, and which can simply arrange them by default by dates. And in this way you can check with which of the post is the oldest post by simply arranging them by dates. But you have to make sure that that software or app works only on PC, because in Play Store there is no such app that provide facilitation that you can simply download all the posts of an Instagram account at once. And after that, the next step is as that what you can do is you can simply search for that account, and here you have to simply open the post. And here if you look for any kind of option which can arrange them in to the in date manner, then there is no option available. So if you want to see the first post, you have to simply use an external app which can help you in this regard. But there is no option on Instagram that you can simply see the first post on Instagram quickly. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.